So, I thought that perhaps this place... But the decay is the same. It could
Have you traveled here from afar?
Yes. So, you can...
I knew it! There are some western...
I see.
A little.
Barren frontier...
True. For the last... But... the soils be...
Sorry to...
Oh no! It's quite a ways to the next ruin. See over there? That ruin... My destination is actually that workshop.
Oh.
Huh? To walk on your own 2 feet. As expected of a scholar, I guess.
Scholar? Is that what I look like?
Oh, I'm sorry if I was wrong. Since you're investigating the ruins...
You're not far off. But I am...
An alchemist?
An isolated workshop on a remote grassy plain. This and that? Yup, looks good. When the liquid... Oops, sorry, Panna. Here. Sorry for making you wait. Chew your food and eat slowly. It's not healthy. The sun feels so nice and warm. But before that... What do I... What's wrong, Panna? I'm thinking about what to eat, so... Oh, I'm still in the middle... I need to finish this before lunch. Oh, it's...
Hello, Ayesha. Oh, this is...
Oh, hello, Freddy.
Ah, it's as smoky and smelly as always, I see. But eating while...
Sorry, I was just so hungry. Delicious. The medicine you ordered will be ready in a minute. So, please wait just a little longer.
Are you...
Oh, and as I was preparing this and
Ayesha...
It's...
There. Being covered with soot will spoil your...
Jeez, you're always saying stuff like that. Oh, here's the medicine you ordered.
1, 2, 3... Yep. Oh, actually,
Really? What is it?
Well, after I put in this order, I got an additional order. Can I ask you for one more bottle?
Sure. If it's just one bottle, it won't take that long either. Oh, but I might need more ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna go gather some outside real quick.
sorry. I'd like to help you, but I'm not familiar with medicinal...
Don't worry, I'm used to this. Now that I have all the necessary ingredients, I'll hurry back and start synthesizing. Now I'll start. Is Yay! It's done! It's done!
I confirm the delivery. Thank you. Your medicine is very popular and...
Oh, really?
Before I forget, let me...
Oh, thank you so much.
Today is the day, right? I think Neil... Well, I've got to get going now. Oh, and one more thing. I think the ruin already had a visitor today.